Before we dive into the specifics, let's grasp the immense potential in the peanut butter market in Africa. With its rich taste, nutritional value, and versatility, peanut butter holds a special place in the hearts of many Africans. Now, let's discuss setting up your peanut butter processing factory. Location is crucial. You'll want to be close to peanut farms for a fresh and sustainable supply. Consider factors like infrastructure, access to utilities, and transportation. Next, let's talk about the machinery required. You'll need equipment such as roasters, blanchers, grinders, and packaging machines. Investing in quality machinery ensures efficiency and product consistency. Once your factory is set up, it's time to dive into the production process. Video, animation showing step-by-step process. It begins with roasting the peanuts to enhance flavor, followed by blanching to remove skins, grinding into a smooth paste, and finally, packaging for distribution. Throughout the process, maintaining hygiene and quality standards is paramount. Regular cleaning, quality checks, and adherence to food safety regulations are essential. Host. Now, let's discuss marketing your peanut butter brand. It's crucial to understand your target market. Are you catering to health-conscious consumers, families, or local businesses like bakeries and restaurants? Branding plays a significant role in attracting customers. Develop a distinctive brand identity, including a memorable logo, eye-catching packaging, and a compelling brand story that resonates with your audience. Host. Before we delve into the specifics of setting up your peanut butter processing factory, let's take a closer look at the market opportunity. Video. Footage of peanut butter products in local markets. Peanut butter is not just a delicious spread, it's also a nutritious source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Host. In Africa, peanut butter holds a special place in many cuisines, from savory stews to sweet treats. Its popularity is on the rise, driven by growing awareness of its health benefits and versatility in cooking. Video. Graphics showing the health benefits of peanuts. Host. With increasing demand for natural and locally sourced food products, there's a prime opportunity for entrepreneurs to enter the peanut butter market and capitalize on this growing trend. Now, let's discuss the practical steps involved in setting up your peanut butter processing factory. Location is key. You'll want to choose a site close to peanut-growing regions to ensure a steady and fresh supply of raw materials. When it comes to equipment, invest in high-quality machinery that meets your production needs. This includes peanut roasters to enhance flavor, blanchers to remove skins, grinders to create a smooth paste, and packaging machines for efficient packaging. Host. It's essential to prioritize food safety and hygiene in your factory. Implement strict sanitation protocols, train staff on proper handling procedures, and regularly inspect equipment to ensure compliance with food safety standards. When it comes to distribution, explore various channels such as supermarkets, health food stores, farmers markets, and online platforms. Consider offering samples to encourage trial and word-of-mouth promotion. Host. With your factory set up, let's delve into the production process of peanut butter. Video. Animation showing step-by-step process. It begins with sourcing high-quality peanuts, which are then roasted to perfection to unlock their rich flavor and aroma. Host. Next, the peanuts are blanched to remove their skins, resulting in a smoother texture. The roasted and blanched peanuts are then ground into a creamy paste using industrial-grade grinders. Host. Finally, the freshly ground peanut butter is packaged into jars or containers, ready for distribution to consumers. Throughout the production process, it's crucial to maintain strict quality control measures to ensure the highest standards of taste, texture, and safety. Now let's explore the importance of marketing in establishing and growing your peanut butter brand. Understanding your target market is key. Are you targeting health-conscious consumers looking for natural and nutritious products? Or perhaps families seeking convenient and tasty snacks for their children? Once you've identified your target audience, Focus on building a strong brand identity that resonates with them. Develop a compelling brand story that highlights your commitment to quality, sustainability, and community empowerment. In addition to its nutritional value and culinary versatility, peanut butter also presents a sustainable business opportunity for entrepreneurs in Africa. Peanuts are drought-resistant crops that thrive in many parts of the continent, making them an ideal crop for smallholder farmers. By establishing partnerships with local farmers and cooperatives, peanut butter processing factories can contribute to rural development, create employment opportunities, and support agricultural sustainability initiatives. When selecting equipment for your peanut butter processing factory, prioritize machines that are durable, efficient, and easy to maintain. Consider factors such as production capacity, energy efficiency, and compatibility with local power sources. In addition to processing equipment, invest in quality control and testing tools to ensure the consistency and safety of your peanut butter products. Regular calibration and maintenance of equipment are essential to minimize downtime and optimize production efficiency. To differentiate your peanut butter brand in the market, consider offering a variety of product options to cater to diverse consumer preferences. Experiment with different flavors, textures, and ingredient combinations to create unique and innovative peanut butter products. Additionally, consider incorporating value-added features such as organic certification, fair trade labeling, or health claims to appeal to niche markets and discerning consumers. In today's digital age, leveraging online platforms and e-commerce channels is essential for reaching a wider audience and driving sales. Establish a user-friendly website where customers can learn more about your brand, browse products, and place orders online. Optimize your website for search engines and invest in digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and email marketing to attract and engage potential customers. Host. Beyond the local market, there's also a growing demand for African peanut butter products internationally. With its unique flavor profiles and cultural significance, African peanut butter has the potential to captivate global consumers. Entrepreneurs can leverage this opportunity by focusing on premium quality, organic ingredients, and sustainable production practices to appeal to discerning international markets. In addition to equipment, consider investing in technology and automation to streamline production processes and improve efficiency. Automated packaging systems, labeling machines, and inventory management software can help reduce labor costs and minimize errors. Furthermore, prioritize staff training and development to ensure that your workforce is skilled in operating machinery, adhering to safety protocols, and maintaining product quality standards. To optimize resource utilization and minimize waste, explore opportunities for byproduct utilization in your peanut butter processing operations. Peanut shells, for example, can be repurposed as livestock feed, biomass fuel, or organic fertilizer. Beyond traditional peanut butter products, consider diversifying your product line to cater to evolving consumer preferences and trends. Explore opportunities to introduce value-added peanut butter variations, such as flavored options, e.g., honey-roasted, chocolate-infused, or specialty blends, e.g., mixed nuts, superfood additions. These innovative offerings can help differentiate your brand in the market and appeal to a broader range of consumers. In addition to acquiring the necessary machinery, pay careful attention to facility layout and workflow design. A well-organized production floor can streamline operations, minimize bottlenecks, and optimize efficiency. Consider consulting with industrial engineers or layout experts to design an ergonomic and efficient workspace tailored to your specific production needs. Furthermore, prioritize safety protocols and risk management practices to ensure a safe working environment for your employees. Implementing regular safety training, providing personal protective equipment, PPE, and conducting routine inspections can help prevent accidents and minimize workplace hazards. When developing your marketing strategy, consider the power of storytelling to connect with consumers on a deeper level. Share the rich cultural heritage and traditions behind African peanut butter, highlighting its role in local cuisines, celebrations, and rituals. By weaving compelling narratives into your branding and marketing efforts, you can evoke emotions, spark curiosity, and build stronger connections with your target audience. In conclusion, starting and running a peanut butter processing factory in Africa offers exciting opportunities for entrepreneurship and economic development. By understanding the market, investing in quality equipment, and implementing an effective marketing strategy, you can build a successful and sustainable business. Thank you for joining us today, and best of luck on your peanut butter journey.